Hi everyone! Quick unboxing of the HiMill D1S. See how great it is. First, grab a utility knife and gently slice along the carton sealing tape. The moment you open the box, the first things you'll see are the dust brush cover, and neatly organized accessory box. Next, remove the custom, shockproof foam, transit safe guaranteed. Now, let's take out the main unit. It's easy for one person to carry, and the device is wrapped in a layer of plastic protective film that keeps dust out effectively. Peel off this film, and the complete HiMill D1S comes into full view. Open the dust cover next. The internal shockproof foam keeps core components safe from impact. Remove this foam, and the device is working. Area is fully revealed. Highlight time. Open the accessory box. Tool case. Manual. 420 epoxy board. Vacuum cleaner adapter. USB Type B. Power cord. Clamp. Everything's all in one start, working right after unboxing. Check the power voltage before use. Preset to local voltage. Adjust or verify here if needed. Ready! Tear off the label. Plug in the power cord firmly. Press the side power button. Lights up instantly. The HiMill D1S is ready to start creative crafting right away.